Today in this video we will be replacing transmission fluid in 2009 Toyota Prius. Process is very simple. We will go underneath. As we go underneath, on this right side there is a drain plug and up top there is a fill plug. We will lift the car up with the help of jack stand. So with the car jacked up, we open the fill plug first. We have a bucket underneath to collect the old fluid. As you can see, I have this old fluid and the new fluid. Just for comparison, you can see the color difference. And now I'm gonna open the drain plug, which is a 10mm hex. This is our 10mm hex. This is our fill plug. It has a crush washer on it. Make sure when you install it with this washer. Opening the drain plug. Make sure you have the bucket ready. Okay, there you go. So this is our drain plug, and as you can see there is a magnet on it. I just cleaned it, but there was some little bit metal particles on it, but it's not in bad shape. It was like very minimal amount, so I cleaned the washer. We have to reuse it. There is not much fluid coming out now, so at this point we will lower the car and maybe we will get some more fluid out of the vehicle. Okay, with the car lowered, you can see there is some more fluid coming out. Let it completely drain and then we will start the refill process. To fill up, I purchased this pump, and this pump can, as you can see, easily hook up on the one of these bottles. You can just connect it, adjust the length, and yeah, it has enough plastic pipe that we will use to fill up the transmission fluid in. I will put the link of this pump in the description so you can easily purchase it. Now it's almost fully drained. Now I will lift the car up again and put the drain plug on. So now we put the drain pan out of the way and I tied the drain plug. Now the next step is to fill the transmission fluid. Only use Toyota ATF WS transmission fluid. You will need 4 of these. I bought this pack of 4. And this is our pumping mechanism ready. The pump I showed you, one end goes inside and the other end will go into the fill plug. Keep pumping until you fill up and until it starts dripping out. So roughly around 4 liters.